Hey, what's going on? We made this little video to share an awesome night that we had. I really wanted to show my girlfriend Autumn and my dad the Milky Way in person. They had never seen the galaxy stretched across the sky with their own eyes before, and honestly, I hadn't either, at least not like I did this night, but it was absolutely amazing. We used an app called Stellarium to figure out the best time and the best direction to look. It said the galaxy would be visible after 10 p.m. if we faced south. But of course, to really see it, you need dark skies, and that's where the Bortle scale comes in. If you don't know, the Bortle scale is a way to measure just how much light pollution is in the night sky, ranging all the way from a class 9, which is the bright inner city sky, all the way to a class 1, which is just total wilderness and perfectly dark sky. Most people live under a Bortle 6 or a Bortle 7 sky, where you can't really see much at all, but at a Bortle class 4, you start to be able to see the Milky Way faintly. But we went all the way out to the Pawnee National Grasslands where the skies are a Bortle Class 2. Some of the darkest skies you can find in the United States without hiking into the backcountry. And let me just tell you, the galaxy was just there, hanging in the sky. It was so bright and clear, you could actually take photos of it with your phone. Of course, I brought my DSLR, Canon 5D Mark III to really capture what the galaxy was looking like, but we ended up taking some of the most beautiful photos we've ever taken that night. But yeah, this is the first time we decided to film one of our little adventures, just something we could look back on and maybe share with anyone else who wanted to come along for the ride. But yeah, let's go.
Oh, the drilling might be they've been doing the oil as well over here, isn't it? Alright, y'all, there's supposed to be a road going left or right here. Looks like it's going right. Don't go that way. Maybe fuck. Fire circle, we got them.
Yep, that's south right there.
So that's where we're gonna be, right?
That's it, man.
I love this.
That's it, man.
This is cool, dog. I like this.
Oh, yeah.
Look, it made it. Our Subaru Outback made it all the way to the middle of nowhere. Got this nice fire pit going. About to get the fire. We got some cows mooing away way down there. I don't know if you can still see them, but there's mountains way out there. We're gonna go take some pictures of the Milky Way tonight. Toasting up some marshmallows. It's getting dark.
Some burnt.
Yeah, I like a little bit of char on my food.
I know, man, but if you can get it just right and chewy, I've learned it's so much better. Especially on a s'more. Right, like mine's perfect. I'm gonna try it.
This fire trying to kill me.
How is it?
I like it. I like it. I'm not a char or marshmallow person. I like it brown, or I like it just right before brown, and where it turns a little bit of beige and it's just melty.
What I like to do is get it crispy,
Yeah.
and then pull it off,
Yep.
and then get it crispy again.
Oh Lord, you gotta let me try it, dog.
Yeah, so let me get it there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you said yours on fire. That's
I didn't mean to, it caught fire.
Yeah, that's right.
So you pull this top
Yeah,
off.
I've done it like that. Yeah, got you. Hold on.
No, this is the one, dog.
I'm gonna have to buy it.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
No, hell no, it's burnt.
Mm.
No, it ain't.
That was the one, man.
I think you touched.
Oh, wow, we're not
Got a hateful late starting. It's looking pretty good out here. Pretty dark. Stars coming out. Alright, let's start taking some pictures. Alright, so real quick, the wind starts kicking my butt here pretty hard, but I just wanted to explain what all these numbers on the screen mean. So that number in the bottom left corner, that's the shutter speed. Basically, it's how long the camera is taking in light for each shot. So it says 8 right now. That means it's going to take 8 seconds to take one photo. But yeah, that's why you need a tripod for something like this. Any movement will just blur the shot. But yeah, the number to the right of that says 2.5, that's the f-stop. That controls how wide the lens means open, so a lower number means a wider opening, which lets in more light. And finally, all the numbers on the screen right now, that's ISO. That just controls how sensitive the camera sensor is to light. So a higher ISO makes the image brighter in dark settings, but if you go too high, it can make the photo look grainy and washed out. So it's all about balancing those three: shutter speed, f-stop, and ISO to get the best shots.
There it is. So we're gonna do 800 for 6 seconds, 8 seconds at 2.5. Let's drop it on down to 1.8. Lowest it goes. Let's see how dark. Playing some Hateful Eight. Alright. And that's the Milky Way galaxy. From the top left, going down. Let's see. Yeah, from the top left, going down. That orange bit, that part right in the middle, is the center of the galaxy. Alright, man, go ahead and take that picture.
Where's it at? There you go.
Let's see what you got, man. Oh man, you got the middle of the galaxy, dude. So that right there, that orange,
Like a face right there.
so it's clouds, dust coming up and all the way down here, right? You know what the middle is? You know what this gold is?
What's that?
That's the middle of the galaxy.
Oh wow.
That's the very center of our Milky Way
That
galaxy.
looks wild, dog.
We're still rocking and rolling. Taking some pictures with my phone here of the galaxy. You can see it.
Alright, I just got to take a moment here and just say, when I was a kid, it was almost impossible just to take a picture of the moon with like good quality, but here we are taking actual pictures of the galaxy line in the sky with our phones. Just blows my mind.
We raised the ISO. It's going only for 8 seconds.
Okay.
And the f-stop's down to 1.8, meaning the lens is about as focused and wide as it can be. Go ahead and take your picture.
Oh, wow. Look at that. That is so cool.
Oh man, won't focus.
Wow.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah, we kind of watched it come from.
So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you what we're at. So ISO, we got at 1250. Probably turn it up here, but we're not going to. We're gonna keep it actually. Yeah, at 1250. So what we got, we're doing 20 seconds. That's how long it takes to take the picture, 20 seconds. And we're gonna put it down 28 seconds and then put it down to 1.8, low as it goes. Check this out. Gonna have to hang out with me for about 20 seconds. But you know, we're just out here having a good time. There's Autumn next to our Subaru Woohoo. Our little campfire, Hateful Eight. Just hanging out, man, in the middle of this grasslands here. This picture's done. Let me show you what we got. Dude. That's the middle of the Milky Way galaxy. And all the dust and clouds around it. We've seen about 100 satellites out here. I'm gonna go.
Alright, we really didn't record much video after this because the sky was just so dark that we got caught up in the moment. We started getting creative, taking some fun shots together, which I'll show on screen now. But yeah, we had such an amazing time out there. It's honestly eye-opening to see where we are in the cosmos, you know, in our little galactic neighborhood here. This planet, this universe, it's all so beautiful, and moments like these shared with the people you love, they're priceless. But if you've never seen the Milky Way galaxy with your own eyes, please go find a dark spot and make that happen. You can search it on Google for a dark sky near you, or honestly just ask ChatGPT. That's what we did. But yeah, just do whatever you need to do to find that place, grab some friends, and go experience it for yourself. You don't need a fancy camera. As you saw, even your phone can capture it. The beauty is just unreal. Every time I see it, it blows my mind. Sometimes it even feels like you could fall right off the earth with how wide open and deep the sky looks above you. But yeah, that's about all we have for now. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hello, John. There you go. Who's
Conway Twitty.
Conway Titty, boy.
Titty.
Yeah, I love Conway.
Conway
He knew how to
Titty.
sing a song, boy.
He could.
I bet the women loved him back in the day.
Shoot, you know it.